Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Muhammad Rizvi. I am working in a Chandbagh school. I am O-level physics teacher there. My lecture is lecture number 19 and it is related to grade 10 physics. Now I will proceed towards the next slide, that is the topic slide. The topic that I am going to discuss and describe are the factors affecting the rate of transfer of energy by radiation. I have already discussed in my previous lecture that the transfer of energy by radiation does not require any medium to travel. The radiation from the distant stars such as sun comes towards the earth through space, and in the space there is no medium. Space does not consist of any medium, so the travel of energy by radiation in the space does not require any medium. Now I will discuss the factors that affect the rate of transfer of energy by radiation. Number one factor is color and texture of the surface. Dull black surfaces are better emitter of infrared radiation than shiny white surface. So the rate at which infrared radiation is emitted is higher if the surface is dull or black. If the surface color is dull or black, the rate of emission of infrared radiation from that surface is greater. White and if the surface color is white and it is shiny surface, it is a good reflector of infrared radiation. The white and shiny surface is a good reflector of infrared radiation. Now I will discuss the second factor that affect the rate of transfer of energy by radiation is the surface temperature. The rate of transfer of energy by radiation also depends upon the surface temperature. The higher the temperature of the surface of the object relative to a room temperature, the higher the rate of energy transfer. If we draw the temperature time graph for an object emitting infrared radiation, initially the rate of fall of temperature is high. We can deduce that the rate of energy transfer by radiation is also high. As time passes, the rate of temperature decreases, becomes lower, thus the rate of energy transfer is also lower. So with the passage of time, this is a very much simple factor. The higher the surface temperature, the higher the rate of transfer of energy by radiation. Now I will discuss the third factors that affect the rate of transfer of energy by radiation is the surface area. The third factor which affects the rate of transfer of energy by radiation is the surface area of the object. If we compare two objects of the same mass and made of the same material but having different surface areas, the object with the larger surface area will emit infrared radiation at a greater rate. So, the larger the surface area, the higher the rate of transfer of energy by radiation. There is a simple experiment to investigate the emission of radiation by a black surface and a silvery surface. You have to read this simple experiment in your book, and in this experiment there are certain points. First I will discuss apparatus. Two temperature sensors. There are two temperature sensors which Pasco Science Workshop data logger. Two identical tins, one black and one is a shiny. Boiling water from two electric kettle. Procedure: connect the temperature sensor to the Pasco interface, one to analog channel A and the other to channel B. Set the sampling rate to 10 seconds. Pour boiling water into both tins at the same time until they are just filled to the brim. I have already discussed there. I have taken two tins. One is black tin and other one is shiny tin. Now I pour boiling water into both tins. Replace the lid and the temperature sensors onto the tins. Channel A will monitor the temperature of water in the black tin, while channel B records the temperature of the water in the shiny tin. Start recording the temperature. Observe the temperature time graph of both sensors. Stop recording after 10 minutes. So the observation we get A typical experimental temperature time graph. The temperature for the black tin is observed to fall at a faster rate than the shiny tin. I have already discussed in this topic. I have discussed it that the fall of temperature for the black tin is observed to fall at faster rate than the shiny tin, and the black surfaces are the good emitter of infrared radiation. So that's why the temperature for the black tin is observed to fall at a faster rate than the shiny tin. The reason is that the black is emitted more heat than the shiny tin. Dull black surfaces are better emitter of infrared radiation than the shiny white surface. Shiny white surface is a good reflector of infrared radiation. This is an experiment. You have to read this experiment in your book, and you will notice that the black surface will emit more infrared radiation as compared to the shiny surface. Okay, I hope so you like my lecture, what I have delivered to you. You have to solve the past paper question related to this topic. Khuda Hafiz.